Alright everybody, got this old catfish. Look at that big old mouth he's got. Alright, I try to fillet him on camera a few times, and every time I do, I jack them up. We had some little bitty ones. We got them cleaned up and in the pot. They're going to make a good meal. So let's see if we can use this antique fillet knife and get some chunks out of it without jacking it up. Now that, my friends, looks like a great fillet. Alright, we're doing better than normal, other than me stepping on my cord. Go along, try to follow that bone until you can get all the way through. Spin him around. That's good riddance. All right, big nice fillet. A lot of people flip the fish, but I don't really have enough room for that. So I got this chisel here, and it helps me. Flay them right off and no red meat. The other fillet out here. And that, my friends, is how to fillet a catfish.